In my last video, I talked about AI meme coins that did over 200,000% and how you can actually find those kinds of coins by yourself. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about new platforms you can use to find these coins easily. Let's get started. So first is to go to dexscreener and let's look out for the coins. You can see the first one is GOAT. I'm going to copy the contract address of this token from here. And you can see it's currently sitting at $375 million market cap. So what I can do is to go to Telegram and search for this bot, which is called analyser bot. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description so you get the right bot. Okay, so once I go there, I'll just go ahead and paste the contract address of this token and click on enter. So what this is going to do is it's going to look out for Telegram channels that call this coin very early. Now you can see this guy right here called Pulse Gem Calls. They actually caught this coin and it did about 13,000%. That is a 132x. Spider Crypto did about 62x. This one did 6x, 3x, and the rest of that. Now what you can do is you can actually click on color stats, and right here it's going to show you how many of these guys coins. This guy has done a total of 951 coins. He has scored about 951 coins, and right here you can see out of all the coins he has scored, about 14 of them has done over 100x. 4 of them has done between the 50 to 100x. 9 of them has done about 20 to 50x. You can see some good calls he has made recently. Okay, so what you can do is you can click on latest calls this week. Let's see what he has actually. So there's no call yet. So this is the beginning of the week. This is Monday already. So let's see top 10 calls, and you can see some of the calls he has made. This one we did crazy returns. This other one, we did another crazy returns. How many numbers? This is like 211x. This one, we did crazy numbers. You can see some good coins he has called. Mobi did about 6,000% for him. When did about 14,000% for him. So, I probably don't know how he bought this, but sometimes some of these figures may be wrong. So you don't just have to depend on it completely. But let's go back and let's see last 10 calls he made. I see the kind of coins he called. So he called this one Gapsy, which did about 40%, which is not much. This one did a 4x. This one did a 3%, 9%, 43%, 19%. So it's kind of like he hasn't lost any trade in the past. Probably he might have lost, but like it's not showing that he has lost any trade so far from here. This is a 14x. Oh, Magnet, which was the coin I talked about in my previous video. Okay, so we've seen this. And let's see the earning calculator. We can actually check the calculator, but let's leave out that for now. So we found out that okay, this guy actually calls some good coin. What you can do is you can also select it based on different coin chains like Solana, ETH, Base, and others. But let's go ahead and click on his channel, and let's see. Oh, so it seems like this guy is not okay. He's speaking English. I was thinking he wasn't speaking English. Let's look out for some of the things he has been doing. And we'll check his previous coins. So he actually talked about GOAT here, talked about FWOG. So it seems like he has talked about FWOG. And if you've been following me, you know I talked about FWOG also back when it was around $13 million market cap. And right now it's currently over $200 million market cap. So you can see, seems like he dropped it way earlier. I want to look out for the exact day he dropped it. Let's look out for the exact day, and you can see it seems like he dropped it on the 1st of October, although by this time this coin has actually crossed the $100 million market cap already. But anyways, you can just use this method to look out for the previous coins he has been calling. And so it seems like he lost this, or what? Is it because this shows loss or something? So so you can use this method to look out for other coins he has been calling and see how good those coins are. And once you find out that the coins he has been calling are good, you can actually join his group and try to stay tab. You can also pin his group or add it to a folder. Just like you can see, I have multiple folders right here. You can add it to a folder, and that way whenever he drops a coin, you're able to see it very fast. And you can actually look at the chart and see if the coin is good, you can go ahead and buy it, and if it's not good, you can leave it out. So this is the method we use to find the coins from this particular person. Now you can use the same method for the next person and see his color stats. So the second person is Spider Crypto. So let's look out for his stats. So 12 coins have done 100x plus 5 coins. So you can just go ahead and then check to see his channel and see if he has some good coins. And if there are some good coins he has been calling, you can go ahead and copy his trade too and then start buying. You can see he also talked about Dodge. For those that are in my Telegram channel, I talked about Dodge when it was around $9 million market cap, and right now it's sitting at $50 million market cap. So you don't need to miss joining my Telegram channel, because that is where we make a lot of money. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Make sure to join that so you don't miss any of our trading calls and make money with us. And finally, after you found out if a particular channel is profitable, you can go ahead to start using Telegram bots to buy these coins like BonkBot or Pepper Boost. I'm going to leave all links in the description. I also made a video about how you can use BonkBot. I will leave a link to that video in the description also. So make sure to watch that video to find out all of the steps on how to set up your BonkBot wallet. Now let's go back to dexscreener, and you can see how we're able to find out channels that talked about good coin very early. You can also use the same method on this other AI meme coins that performed very well. Genon, for instance, copy the contract address, go ahead and look for people that called it very early, check their statistics, check to see that everything actually ticks for you. Then you can go ahead to start copying their trades, or like follow their channel and see what they're doing. And also make sure to look at the chart very well before you actually buy some coins. Not all of them is going to do insanely well in the beginning phase, so make sure to look out for it properly before you buy any of those coins. And you can also use that method on Sydney. Sydney is another AI meme coin that did very well. You can go ahead and copy the contract address and check all of these details. So guys, this is all of the steps on how to use this method to find profitable channels to copy their trade. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I've actually made the first video, which is very important for you to watch, and make sure you don't skip that video. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description. Make sure to look out for the link to watch that video. And guys, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because it is very important. And make sure to click on that bell icon, so whenever I drop another awesome video like this, you get to find out early. And if you want to watch the part 1 of this video, then click here to watch now.